I think laughter is a catalyst, a strategy that has to be incorporated in healing the world. It's the bounce back factor. It's something that helps us. It eases us. It eases us. The more you use it, the more it becomes a part of who you are.
Can humor save our world? Connected to, and we already made this connection to survival, how I sold, I listed as a survival essential as part of my research. But now that we know that, if people, especially now, and this is not a political, we don't talk politics here, but knowing what we know about how humor is important to our biology to make us survive,
Yeah.
can it save the world if we did that on a massive level?
Yeah, if they allow it to. It's just like God can help you if you allow. Bob can help you if you allow. Tuning in with your authentic self can help you if you allow it. But that's there are a lot of people that, as a matter of fact, there are some countries, like the Taliban, laughter is not accepted. You could be put to death for laughing in certain situations. So I think laughter is a catalyst, a strategy that has to be incorporated in healing the world. It definitely has to. I mean, I proved it to myself, and I think I have to your viewers and to you. Christopher Reeve used it as a very important strategy. He passed away 5 months after I had my conversation with him. But that's not what's important. What's important is what he accomplished in the last 9 years of his life in that condition. And he claims that it was humor that helped him and gave him the perseverance to continue to do what needed to be done. It always helped him to bounce back. It always helped him to do something else. So it's my brother Michael, 100% disabled from the Vietnam War. He'd be the first one to say that his sense of humor, as sick as it is, still is. He had a warped sense of humor. But he used it. He uses it still. Helps him to bounce back. Naomi Judd, the same thing. It's the bounce back factor. It's something that helps us. It eases us. It eases us. The more you use it, the more it becomes a part of who you are.